Okay, so today we are going to start exercise 6F from question number 11. Same question, factorize you have to do. So let's see. Basically, this trinomial is in the form of what? We can say this trinomial is given in the form of x square plus bx plus c. When this format is given, so in that case we have to solve how. Remember how you solve. First of all, whatever your constant term will be there, c, that you have to write down first of all side, minus 40, and whatever your coefficient of x or n or anything, like जो भी variable होगा single linear variable, in that case what is the coefficient of n? We can say minus 3. Write down first of all minus का 3. Now think all of you, which two number that multiply 40 will come. When you multiply two number, then 40 will come, and that same number when you add or subtraction, then minus 3 will come. Think. Yes. If I say, think all of you, if I say 4 and 10, then also 40 will come. But when you add or subtract like 10 minus 4 or 10 plus 4, then 3 will not come. But if I take 5 and 8, suppose if I take 8 and 5, then 8 5 is 40 and 8 minus 5, that is 3. But think all of you, before which number I will take minus and before which number I will take plus. So if I take before 8 minus and before 5 plus, then if you multiply minus 8 and plus 5, then your answer will be minus 40. And if you add them, then your answer will come minus 3. Check it here, minus plus minus, 8 minus 5, 3, and before bigger number minus sign. So just write down here n square minus 8n plus 5n minus 40. That means first one term as it is, third one as it is, only middle term I will just split into two terms. Okay, so minus 8n plus 5n is equals to minus 3n. So now we will just grouping the numbers, two numbers, and take out common. From these two term, which term take common? We can take common n only. If I take common n, then here remaining n and here remaining minus 8, yes. And from this two term plus 5, if I take common plus 5, then here remaining n and here minus 8. That means these both binomials are same. And whenever your both binomials are same, so we will take out again common. From these two binomial, one binomial in one bracket, and whatever your remaining numbers, that is here another bracket. So your answer will be n minus 8 and n plus 5. That is your complete answer. Okay, understood all of you? Same process. Process are same, we can see. कुछ भी changes नहीं है, different नहीं है, same process we are solved. Okay, now we'll move next question. Okay. Just wait. Question number 12, that is y square minus 11y plus 24. Now tell me student, first of all, which are the two numbers? Which are the two numbers that multiply 24 will come? That means constant term. Whatever your constant term, write down first of all. And जो भी आपका y का coefficient होगा and n का coefficient, you have to write down here minus 11. Now think which two number that multiply 24 will come and that addition minus 11 will come. Think all of you, think, use your brain, because ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. इस तरीके से हम सोच सकते which two numbers multiply 24 will come and same number addition minus 11 will come. Think all of you and tell me in your chat box. Which two numbers? Yes, very good. Correct. Actually, some student here written 8 and 3. Think, if I take 8 and 3, then obviously 8 into 3, that 24 will come. But if I add them, 8 plus 3, then 11 will come. But minus 11 will not come. Think, if you say, sir, 6 into 4, then 24 will come, 100%. But 6 plus 4, that is 10 will come. How 11 will come? That's why you have to think which two numbers that multiply 24 also and minus 11 also. So if I say minus 8 and minus 3, then minus minus plus 8 into 3 for 24, and if you add them minus 8 and minus 3, then minus 11 will come. So just take here y square minus 8y minus 3y and plus 24. Okay, now take common again. From y square and 8y will take common y, and here remaining y minus 8. Again similar way, from this two term, tell me who tell me which term we can take common. आप बोलोगे सर 3. No, this is minus 3. So if you take common minus 3, then here remaining y, and from plus if I take common minus, then minus 8 will come. Now see, this both binomials are come same. Yes. So we can say y minus 8 and y minus 3. That is your complete answer. Okay. Understood all of you? Very simple question. Okay. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. So question number 13. Now question number 13, 48 plus 22x minus x square. Yes, this is your question number 13. Do fast all of you. How you will solve the question and tell me what is the correct answer. Actually, here this all the terms are not in proper format. So first of all, your work is you have to write down in a proper format. How? X square term write down in first, minus x square. After that x1, that means 22x. Afterwards plus 48. Then now you have to convert like this, same way. Think all of you how you solve the question. So first of all, C term is there, constant term. So write down here 48. Okay. Now what I have to do? This is your plus 22. So write down again plus 22 here. Now think all of you which two numbers multiplication that 48 will come, and that same number addition या subtraction that plus 2 will come. Think all of you. Not coming only. Think all of you fast and give your response here. Okay, that is 24 minus 2, but 24 minus 2 that will not come. So one thing we can do, just all of you think, in like before minus is there, so we'll take common first of all from his all the terms minus. If I take common minus, suppose, then here x square is remaining, then minus 22x, then minus 48. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया, सिर्फ क्या किया मैंने साइन चेंज कर दिया. If I take common minus, then this will convert into plus, this will convert into minus, this will convert into minus. Now you have to solve, because अगर आप common नहीं लोगे, then your answer will be not come. Correct answer नहीं आएगा. That's why first of all take common minus, then see minus 48. All of you think which two numbers multiply minus 48 will come, and addition that minus 22 will come. Now think and tell me fast. Not coming now also. 24 into 2. So if I take 24 into 2 and minus 24 into 2, minus 24 into plus 2, then will come. Yes or no? आएगा ना? So we can say minus here x square minus 24x, okay, plus 2x minus 48. Done. Now minus x square. Okay, so take common first of all. So if I take common from this two term x, so here remaining x and here remaining minus 24. From this two term, again I will take common plus 2. If I take common 2, then here remaining x and here remaining minus 24. Okay, minus x minus 24 and remaining terms x plus 2. Now you are thinking, son, this minus को क्या करूं? Multiply कर दूं. So write down this minus, देखो minus plus minus, है ना? So write down here like माइनस एक्स प्लस 24, सो उसको अपोजिट लिख दो 24 minus x and here x plus 2. That is your complete answer. Okay, nothing, and just what I done here, this minus multiply with this both term minus x, मैंने minus x को बाद में शिफ्ट कर दिया, and this minus minus plus, that plus 24 I written here at first place. So your answer will be 24 minus x and x plus 2. That is your complete answer. Okay, very simple question. Now we'll move next question. But इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम से आपको प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है, we can say you have to think in your mind. This is very interesting. Which two numbers you have to multiply, जिसमें आपका ये नंबर आ जाए, and which same two numbers when we will add then this number will come. It is very interesting, we can say. Okay. Now we'll move next question. Dhruv, just see here, all the questions are similar only, and otherwise you have to watch from your video explanation evening time. Now question number 14. X square minus 29x plus 10, okay, not 104, this is 204. 204. Yes, students, think and tell me fast. Which two numbers? Which two numbers that 204 will come and that same number addition minus 29 will come. Okay, I will tell you this prime factorization method. Try to understand. And it will take a time, no issue, but try to understand. 204. You know how to find out prime factorization? See, this is divisible by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 0 as it is, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, no issue. Now see, again divisible by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2. Now it is again divisible by 2, no, this is divisible by 3. So 3 how many times? 17 times. 3 17 ja 51. Okay, 3 17 ja 51. Now last 17 1 ja 7. अब बात समझना. All of you see. Now these all the factors I will convert into only two numbers. I will convert into only two numbers. इस तरीके से आप इसको बनाओ, दो नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाए और उस दो नंबर्स को आपको 204 में मल्टीप्लिकेशन. हाउ सी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन लाइक दिस 2 into 2 into 3 into 17. Now you have to make like this. 2 2 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12. So these all the numbers multiply right down here 12, and this is 17. So see here 17 and the 12 are the numbers. If you multiply then 100% 204 will come, and when you add then 29 will come. Yes or no? But actually here minus is there, that's why I will take here also minus and here also minus. तो इस प्रोसेस में आप कर सकते हो, ये आपका एक ट्रिकी मेथड है. अदरवाइज नॉट हैविंग एनी मेथड. This is one tricky method, otherwise not having any. Okay, first of all, I have to find out the factors. Then उन factors का मतलब ऐसे भी हो सकता है, दो दो का पेयर भी बना के आप कर सकते हो, 3 3 का पेयर, वो according to that questions आपको जाना पड़ेगा. Okay, so see here, x square minus 12x minus 17x plus 204. Okay, see here 12x and 17x, that is 29x. Yes or no? Now make groups. From this first group I will take common x. So here remaining x and here remaining minus ka 12. From this two term again I will take common minus 17. Minus 17, not 17. So if I take common minus 17 then remaining here x and here remaining 12. आप एक करना कॉपी कर लेना वैसे x minus 12. Now what you have to do? So same term. So write down x minus 12 and remaining terms, that means x minus 7 in bracket. Now tell me students, all of you understood this question? This method when you solve, listen carefully. This method when you practice then only understand. Because इस मेथड में आपको बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, तभी आपका माइंड में ये सेट होगा. अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट सो इजी मेथड. Okay, actually prime factorization method is very easy, but from this prime factorization method, how we will make the numbers, that is not so easy. Understood? Okay. You have to practice. Yes, Pratibha. You have to practice this method many times. Then only you have to understood. Okay. How you know multiply this first three number? Yes, that only ना. मुझे क्या पता था? मुझे ये तीन नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना था. Actually, when you solve this type of questions, more and more, then you have some ideas, and from this idea you just make the pairs. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इस क्वेश्चन में, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है आपको दोनों का पेयर बनाना है या इस दोनों का पेयर बनाना है. इस अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू मेक पेयर्स. पहले आपको तीन नंबर्स का पेयर बनाना है या चार नंबर्स का पेयर बनाना है, वो आपका क्वेश्चन का अकॉर्डिंग आप कर सकते हो. ठीक है. नाउ विल मूव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट्स सी. यस दिव्यांशु, 100% करेक्ट आंसर. कॉपी कर रहे हो अभी? वेरी गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. 15 completed? No. P square minus 5p minus 176. So all of you just tell me which are the two numbers that multiplication that minus 176 will come and that addition minus 5 will come. Tell me fast. Yes, no, Dhananjay, this is wrong. Yes, now correct. Minus 16 minus 11, it is not correct. Minus 16 plus 11. Dhananjay, you have written 16 minus 11. This is wrong. This is minus 16 plus 11. Okay, this is right answer. Because here minus is there. Yes or no? Saloni, no. This is also wrong. Yes, now correct. Divyanshu, now correct. Very good. So students, if I want to solve by prime factorization method, one time try. Okay, let's see. 176 is the number that is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 8 ja 16. 1 carry 16, 2 8 ja 16. Again 2, 44, again 2. We can say 22, 2 again 11. Correct? Now see, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 and 11. And after that, according to that question, you have to write down which sign, कौन सा साइन कौन सा नंबर का पहले लगेगा, वो आपको अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट क्वेश्चन ही लगाना है. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर p स्क्वायर minus 16p plus 11p minus, we can say 176. Yes. Okay. Now what have to do? Make pairs. क्या करना है आपको? Pairs बनाना. Okay. Now from this first pair, we will take common p. So here remaining p minus 16. And from the second pair, we will write down, take common 11. Okay, so remaining here p and here 16, because we know 11, 16 ja 176. Again similar way, from these two binomial, one binomial take common and remaining numbers p plus 11 in another bracket. Done. Okay, p minus 16, one bracket, and another number, remaining numbers in another bracket. Okay. Yes, students, all of you tell me in this question, any doubt? No doubt? Very easy. Okay, good. What is the next question? Okay, actually this all the questions are similar time now. So I will do next question number 18. See here, question number 18. This is something different. And 2a cube plus 10a square minus 28a. This is your question. See all of you question first of all. All of you see first of all properly question. Okay. Actually, this number is not in the form of x square plus bx plus c, because here before x square one coefficient is there, that is 2. Yes or no? That's why we will take out common. मैंने पहले ही बताया था ना आपको, जब हमारे पास ट्राइनोमियल रहेंगे देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इफ आई वांट टू टेक कॉमन, सॉरी अगर आप कॉमन ले सकते हो देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल टेक कॉमन ओनली. सो फ्रॉम दिस थ्री टर्म्स वी विल टेक कॉमन 2, not only 2, a also, because here also a present, here also a present, here also present. So write down a also. So first of all we will take common 2a. So here remaining a square, here remaining plus 10a, and sorry, here remaining 5a, and here remaining minus 14. This is your proper question. Means you have to solve this part only this part. So कैसे करोगे? कांस्टेंट टर्म ले लो सबसे पहले -14. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन कांस्टेंट टर्म. What is the coefficient of a? 5. Write down 5. Now think all of you. Which are the two numbers that multiply? We can say -40 will come, 14 will come, and that same number addition 5 will come. Think all of you. Yes, very good. 7 minus 2. Understood? So we can say that is 7 and minus 2. Yes. 7 into minus 2 that is -14 and 7 minus 2 that is 5. Positive 5. So write down all of you 2a as it is, a square as it is. Instead of this 5a write down 7a minus 2a and minus 14. Okay, now take common again in this bracket. From these two terms a is the common, so remaining here a plus 7, and from these two terms minus 2, so a plus 7. So 2a obviously write down in the outside, and from this two binomial, same binomial, one term write down here a plus 7 and another remaining parts a minus 2, that is another bracket. Now this is done. Okay, complete. All of you understood this question? No issue? Very easy question. So similarly whatever your remaining questions are there, matlab from question number 19 to 23, each and every question you have to solve yourself, because very easy. हाँ, actually exercise 6F में एक क्वेश्चन अगर आपको समझ में आए, दो क्वेश्चन. First one, that simple one, this one, and second one, first of all take out common, then we have to solve this. If I say only one question, if you understood properly, then each and every question it is very easy for you. Yes or no? Very easy question, no? Okay.